Good morning, students. Let us continue with our topic and extend it to addition and subtraction of like fractions. Then we'll move forward to comparison of like fractions. So today's point of discussion is only like fractions and operations related to like fractions. Like if you could see what fraction of the given pizza did we share together, or we have two kids, one is Tom, other is Harry. They want to eat pizza which is being divided into 8 slices. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the 8 slices of pizza. Tom ate 1 slice out of the 8 slices of pizza. Harry ate 2 slices out of 8 slices of pizza. This we have discussed in the last video, how to find out the fraction of pizza eaten by the given kids. So, Tom has eaten 1 by 8, Harry has eaten 2 by 8. How much pizza they ate all together? That means we have to add up the fractions of pizza eaten by both, that is 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. Now here comes the fact how to add these two fractions. How to add? If you could see, these are like fractions. Both are having same denominators, that is 8. So these are like fractions. How to add like fractions? That comes our next topic, that is addition of like fractions. Now what were like fractions? Let us recapitulate. Fractions with same denominator are like fractions. Right. So what are the steps? What we have to do? Retain the denominator. That means we'll keep the denominator same and only add numerators. Like if we have to add 3 upon 5 and 16 upon 5, then what we will do? We'll remain the common denominator as 5 and add the numerators. That is 3 plus 16. That goes for 19 upon 5. So, added fraction is 19 upon 5. Let us go back to the pizza eaten by Tom and Harry again. So, here we had Tom ate 1/8 of the pizza and Harry ate 2/8 of the pizza. So, all together they ate 3 by 8 of pizza. Now, how 3 by 8? Retain the common denominator, that is 8, and the second step, add the numerators. 1 plus 2, that is 3 upon 8. This is how we add like fractions. Now next, subtraction of like fractions. Now again, like fractions means fractions with same denominator are like fractions. Right? Again the same steps. Retain the denominator, subtract the numerator. Like we had to subtract 1 upon 5 from 3 upon 5. Then what we will do? Retain the denominator as 5. Subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 3. So that is 2 upon 5. The answer comes out to be 3 minus 1 as 2 upon 5. So this is how you subtract the like terms. Now this method is valid only for like fractions wherein you have same denominators. But where you have different denominators, that is your unlike fractions, will be covering that part in the next class. So, here is comparison of like fractions. Now, what do you understand by comparison? Comparison means that either of the two fractions are greater than, less than, or equal to. Right? So, let us compare. In this case again, we are comparing the like fractions only. So, denominators are same. denominators are same, we need to compare only the numerators. Now out of 4 and 9, which one is greater? 9 is greater. So this fraction is greater. 9 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 5. Now if you can see 3 by 8, 3 by 8. Again we have same denominator and same numerator. So this is an equal fraction. Right? So this was how we do comparison of like fractions. I hope you have understood the topic again, and if some doubts are left, we can take it up in the next session. Thank you so much.